Good morning, Bring a Trailer. Here's a cold start video on this 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Exhaust manifold, temperature. Key is in it, so it makes an obnoxious noise. No lights except the seatbelt light and the emergency brake light. There's the emergency brake off.